Wars don't just raise fuel prices, they can quietly trigger inflation across the global economy. From transport costs to food prices on supermarket shelves, the ongoing war involving Iran is now showing how conflict can move beyond energy markets and threaten global food security, potentially driving worldwide inflation. The first shock came through energy. After disruptions to shipping in the Strait of Hormuz, one of the world's most critical trade routes, oil prices surged above $100 per barrel. The waterway carries around 20% of global oil and gas supplies, meaning any disruption immediately raises transportation and production costs worldwide. But economists warn a second, less visible crisis is emerging: fertilizer shortages. Fertilizer is essential for modern agriculture, and nearly half of the world's traded urea, the most widely used fertilizer, moves through the Gulf region via the Strait of Hormuz. Around 46% of global urea supply and roughly 20% of overall fertilizer production originate from Gulf countries. As conflict disrupted gas supplies and shipping routes, fertilizer plants began shutting down or reducing output. Qatar Energy halted production at the world's largest urea facility after attacks affected liquefied natural gas operations. Reduced gas availability has also forced production cuts in India and factory shutdowns in Bangladesh. The United States is already facing a fertilizer supply shortfall of about 25% for this time of year. Prices have reacted sharply. Urea export prices from the Middle East have risen about 40%, climbing from under $500 to more than $700 per metric ton, nearly 60% higher than last year. Analysts warn nitrogen fertilizer prices could double if disruptions continue, while phosphate fertilizer prices may rise by about 50%. This matters because fertilizer shortages directly affect food production. The crisis comes during the Northern Hemisphere's planting season, when farmers rely heavily on fertilizers to ensure strong crop yields. Without sufficient fertilizer, farmers may reduce usage or skip applications entirely, leading to lower agricultural output. Countries most exposed to the disruption include major agricultural producers such as India, Brazil, and China. Asian markets alone receive large shares of Gulf fertilizer export, while Brazil relies heavily on imports, many of which pass through the Strait of Hormuz. These nations are also among the world's largest food exporters. India supplies roughly a quarter of global rice exports. Brazil dominates global soybean exports, and China produces key agricultural staples consumed worldwide. Lower crop yields in these countries could tighten global food supplies. That in turn raises food prices internationally, a key driver of inflation, especially in import dependent economies. The situation is compounded by existing pressures. Fertilizer markets were already strained after Europe reduced production following the loss of cheap Russian gas during the Ukraine war, while China limited fertilizer exports to protect domestic supply. Together, these disruptions illustrate how wars trigger inflation beyond the battlefield. Energy shocks raise transportation and production costs. Supply chain disruptions restrict essential agricultural inputs, and declining crop yields push food prices higher. If fertilizer shortages persist, the Iran conflict could evolve from an energy crisis into a global food inflation shock, affecting households far beyond the Middle East.